Beautiful, isn't it? The sound frequencies that we produce when we play the meditation bowls, technically they do not awaken the Kundalini energy, but they are very helpful in promoting or achieving a balanced flow of brain waves inside the nervous system, particularly the alpha and the theta brain waves, even the delta brain waves. And these brain waves promote relaxation, deep sleep and rest, and for meditation. Personally, I find playing the meditation bowls, such as this singing bowls, very useful in balancing my own energy flow, because I practice a lot elements of asanas, breathing works, and sometimes, lots of times actually, we become very passionate and over eager about those elements that we tend to forget to slow things down. The more we force the elements to happen, the more they will not happen. We need to feel our own vibration for a particular or at a particular situation, time of practice. This is very, very true, because our energy doesn't lie. If, for example, after 1 or 2 tries of a certain element you want to practice and it's not happening, that means the energy tells you it's not for that particular session, or you might need to slow things down, practice some preparatory elements before you attempt the big ones. It's not because of certain limitations. It's more of the present state of our body, our mind, our breath. Not only that, the situation surrounding our practice. This is very true. Even if, for example, you change the time of your practice, if you're so used to practicing in the afternoon and suddenly your schedule changes and you have to practice in the morning, somehow the feeling is not the same. The body, the breath, the energy surrounding your practice, they are not the same. Somehow you need to feel it again. Feel it one more time. Feel it again. Slow things down. You don't have to really go and practice the same elements. Sometimes you need to feel where your energy leads you, and then you will be surprised. Because we have so many energy forces surrounding our practice, and all of them are actually different, and they will serve us in many levels and ways, and then you will be pleasantly surprised to find out that you might be able to achieve bigger or deeper breakthroughs in a dimension of the practice. And those unexpected moments will actually help you go deeper to the elements that you want to practice and achieve in the first place. It's very true. Those unexpected moments are actually the missing link. Why your goal is not happening. Not just the time, even the place, even within your own practice space. If you just move your mat to a different location, everything changes. So you just have to feel that new dimension again, that present state of your practice, on and off the mat, your life in general. Our energy doesn't lie. Tuition, heightened awareness, especially if you practice yoga. You will develop that heightened sense of awareness, sensitivities of the many things and aspects surrounding the practice. Even the meditation bowl, when I first had this one, it won't sing. It's very noisy, it's very chattery. Every bowl is different. This one, it took me a while because it's not perfectly circular. There are imperfections, there are bumps on it. Somehow I need to know its nature. I need to know its nature. And allow my own energy to agree with it. The movement, even the sides. Some sides I have to press firmer, the other ones I need to smooth things down. So same with our practice. We have to know not just our own nature, but all things that affect our practice, the imperfections, and only by feeling them, our own light will shine through, our own beauty will shine through to serve our purpose and intention, not for anyone else. Of course, the breath. You have to breathe through it in everything we do. In relation to playing the bowl, if the breath is heavy, if the breath is struggled, it won't sing. Feel it. Our energy doesn't lie, but the mind actually resists it. Everything is about balancing, of course, definitely. So if you have one at home, use it. If you have the opportunity to learn outside, learn. This is another dimension of the practice I share with my students. The yoga study that I do for them, and other forms of mindfulness as well. Really beautiful blend. Interesting how the body, the breath, and everything that surrounds our practice, our nature, they all are related. They all are related. Quite powerful, this one. I could actually feel the vibration all the way up to this point. Inside the nervous system too. And when you finish by breathing in, hold the breath for like 8 beats. And exhale. Okay. Until the next lecture, have a lovely day. Namaste.